Now we will show you how to adjust the label sensor. Go to menu operation and click label dispense testing job mode. When you click it, the label will move out little by little. When you finish two labels, click single label dispensing. When you click it, it will move out one label. When you see if this label not move out, just adjust here. When you move it front, the label will be out. When you adjust the label sensor and click it, single label dispensing again, and make sure that it will move out one label by clicking one time. When you just make sure that the label just out about 2 mm, the